Before we start, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn notification on to see more videos like this. I will be happy to know if these videos inspire you for your car project. This video is about a Nardo Grey Extreme Body Kit Volkswagen Golf 4 project. It's another kind of tuning from a regular Golf NK4 to this spectacular extreme wide Golf 4. It's a show car, but I wonder how many of us will think to do this kind of tuning. Do you like this Golf 4? You'll see all the change through the video. I hope you will see nice ideas and you will inspire from this project.
I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly.
Remember, all these videos on this channel are made only in collaboration with the car owner and only with his approval. So if you have a project with your car and you want to show that project here on this channel, you will find in the description all you need to contact me.
Fire makes my city look so bright. Close your eyes and just stay tight. We have to go. Stay with me while we leave.
Leave in comment section below what car do you want to see next video. I will try to make that video. After you done that, make sure to subscribe and turn notification on. In this way you don't miss when I upload your requested car.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell. In this way you will know every time when I upload a new video. Bye bye.